Hi tech lovers, let's check out TCL's top mini LED TVs QM7K, QM8K and QM9K. Which one has the best display, sound and smart features? Stay tuned for the full comparison. Display technology. Panel type. Backlight. Display size. Display resolution. Refresh rate. Pixel density. Black level. Local dimming. Contrast ratio. Color gamut. Typical HDR and HDR brightness. Peak brightness. Response time. Aspect ratio. High frame rate. Anti-reflection. HDR format. Variable refresh rate. Adaptive sync. High gig. Game optimizer. Auto low latency mode. USB ports. HDMI ports. Wi-Fi. Bluetooth. Optical digital audio out. Screen mirroring. Miracast. HDMI consumer electronic control. Built-in Chromecast. HDMI audio return channel. Ethernet. Speaker configuration. Audio features. Sound technology. Speaker direction. Operating system. App Store type. Processor. RAM. Storage. Anti-reflection. voice assistant, social media interrogation, voice search, supported apps, dimensions with stand and without stand, weight without stand and with stand, wall mount size, TV tuners, thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.